Hi, my name is Silas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about black seed oil, remembering that all the information given here was taken from the official website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or learn more about each detail on the product's official website. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about black seed oil is that you be careful with the website you're going to order from, because black seed oil is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of black seed oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, black seed oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is black seed oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes, black seed oil works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you to maximize your life quality. That's because the black seed oil is all natural, and the scientifically proven ingredients in this formula promote healthy by providing special super compounds you're not getting through regular food. Black seed oil focuses on tackling problems with poor nutrient metabolism. With black seed oil you will get the following benefits: maintain normal blood sugar, support healthy gut bacteria, protect digestive system, support immune system, keep your liver strong and healthy. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for black seed oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, black seed oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as Nigella sativa, omega-6 fatty acids, linoleic acid, icosahexaenoic acid, omega-9 fatty acids, oleic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linoleic acid, and many others natural elements rich in great properties, 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website, remembering that all these elements effectively contribute to the natural production of energy and health benefits. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with black seed oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test black seed oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy black seed oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that black seed oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of black seed oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.